Judy.
Good morning. The 29-page ruling comes from a federal judge in southern Illinois. In granting the injunction, Judge Stephen McLinn says in some cases the assault weapons ban completely obliterates the right to defend oneself. While gun rights groups are hailing decision, supporters remain confident they will ultimately prevail. Judge McLinn is temporarily blocking enforcement of the Protect Illinois Communities Act. This is in a case that consolidated multiple lawsuits filed by groups including the Illinois State Rifle Association that are challenging the ban. Lawmakers passed the ban in response to the Highland Park July 4th shooting that claimed 7 lives. Governor Pritzker signed it in January. The law bans the sale of assault weapons, puts restrictions on purchases of magazines, and outlaws rapid-fire devices known as switches. Judge McLinn asks, can the senseless crimes of a relative few be so despicable to justify the infringement of the constitutional rights of law-abiding individuals, and hopes such crimes will then abate or at least not be as horrific? He concludes the simple answer at this stage of the proceedings is likely no.
I think we have a very, very strong case. The return to the status quo means you roll the calendar back to January 9th. It was a big win. We're gratified. It's been a lot of hard work that went into this, and we anticipate continuing to win.
Governor Pritzker's spokesperson says the administration is confident that as the case continues, this critical public safety law will ultimately be upheld as constitutional. Illinois Rep. Bob Morgan, the bill's sponsor, says since its enactment, the law has already prevented the sales of thousands of assault weapons and high-capacity magazines in Illinois, making Illinois communities safer for families. 2 federal judges in Chicago already denied requests to block the state's assault weapons ban. Also, the 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals last week denied a request from a Naperville gun dealer to block the ban. That dealer is now asking the U.S. Supreme Court to take up the case. In the newsroom, Judy Wang, WGN News.